Go?
Yep.
Hi guys, so I'm back, and if you subscribed, good, because I looked for at first and there was no subscribers. So if you subscribed, thank you. And there will also subscribe and give a thumbs up also. Today I'm gonna play with my neighbor Almani, and we're gonna play tag, and we're gonna play with the ball. So come on, let's go, Mom. And does everybody know my name now?
B.
Good. Yeah. Stop it.
Oh, no, Monty, get down. Throw it, honey. Wow, you are so good at throwing.
Now I'm gonna taste it
Uh-oh.
around.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here he comes. Uh-uh.
You love to run. Come here, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
He just doesn't want to listen to you.
Now we're gonna play copper. So I'm the police and he's the copper. You're gonna go to jail. And I'm gonna pretend that I passed out, and then he's gonna come and get me.
Oh. Here he comes. Completely ignoring you. Oh, Monty. Oh. He's just ignoring you. He's pissing on something now.
Don't say swear words.
Oh, sorry. Peeing. He's peeing on something now.
Yeah.
Oh, Monty, get her. Come on.
Got you now.
You got it.
Would you like some gas? Like some gas?
Okay, Layla. 3 minutes. That's it. Say goodbye to your fans. Layla.